The new mini-mill complex for flat products of Egypt's EFS Flat Steel was supplied by Danieli on a turnkey basis, including auxiliary utilities. The plant is located in Ain Sukna on the Red Sea, a superb location within a short distance from the port and the local market, and at the center of international consumer markets. It is designed for an annual capacity of 1.2 million tons of hot-rolled coils. It is one of the most modern and competitive plants for the production of ultra-thin strip, thanks to the Danieli flexible thin slab casting and rolling process, bettered by the installation of the patented F-square-CR flexible crown and free rolling stands. The plant is intended for semi-endless and thermophoretic rolling. The melt shop complex is made up of a 185-ton electric arc furnace and a ladle furnace acting as a secondary metallurgy station. The main steel grades produced are drawing and commercial quality, low and medium carbon steel, paratectic steel, and high-strand low alloy. The electric arc furnace is a full platform AC Danarc type designed to operate with long arcs, therefore assuring low electrode consumption, 1.5 kilograms per ton, high arc stability, and limited disturbances on the electrical network. The 7,700 millimeter Dia shell furnace is charged with hot briquetted iron, which represents up to 30% of the overall charge. Alternative chemical energy is supplied to the EAF through a compact design module system for oxygen and carbon injection, with the aim of saving energy and reducing conversion costs while increasing EAF productivity up to 198 tons per hour. There are 3 modules installed with a total oxygen flow of 9,000 normal metric cubes per hour. Due to the large size of the shell, 2 additional burners are installed. 5 oxygen tuyeres will be installed in the second stage to enhance oxygen distribution in the furnace. The average treatment time in the ladle furnace station is 30 to 40 minutes. The steel is continuously stirred by 2 porous plugs inserted in the bottom of the ladle to assure perfect metal bath stirring. The secondary metallurgy station also acts as a buffer between the electric arc furnace and the slab caster for better and more flexible production scheduling. A stirring lance can also be used to accelerate the desulfurization reaction and for a better and intensive mixing of steel. The EAF electrode movements are controlled by the Danieli Automation High-Reg system, which makes it possible to obtain a constant ratio between electrode voltage and electrode current by varying arc tension to maximize the efficiency of the melting process. This leads to reduced electric energy consumption, 410 kilowatt-hour per ton, reduced flicker disturbances, and increased EAF productivity. The EAF dedusting and fume plant has a suction capacity of 2 million cubic meters per hour. Fume emissions and dust components are extracted from the 4th hole of the furnace roof, the secondary fume hood arranged on the ladle furnace roof, the melt shop canopy hood, and the alloy feeding system. With the Danieli patented H-squared high-speed, high-quality, long funnel mold, 90mm thin slabs are cast in a wide range of casting speeds and steel grades. Speed flexibility is fundamental in slowing down or speeding up production to allow the melt shop and the mill to run at the same pace. The 90mm thick slab and mold exit is reduced down to 70 or 65mm thanks to the dynamic soft reduction process, which guarantees the highest level of both productivity and surface and internal quality thanks to the reduction in centerline segregation and porosity, breakage of columnar structures, and refining of the grain size. In order to obtain the required product quality, considerable care was taken in designing a proper primary and secondary cooling system, as well as the bending and unbending units. Upstream the pendulum shear, a rotary descaler removes the scale before the slab enters the tunnel furnace to avoid damages to the furnace rollers. It is also possible to control and uniform the growth of scale layer thickness and composition. The pendulum shear is designed to cut a 90mm thick slab and can also perform emergency cropping every 500mm at maximum casting speed. Whole caster functions are controlled by Danieli Automation Level 1 and Level 2 control systems. The 150-meter-long reheating equalizing tunnel furnace can hold up to 4 slabs having a maximum length of 34 meters. This buffer capacity makes it possible to continue casting operations even during mill stoppages due to work roll change or other rolling interruptions without affecting casting operating conditions. The hot strip mill is made up of 4-high, non-reversing roughing stand with vertical edger, heated transfer table, bar cropping and descaling, 6-stand 4-high finishing mill equipped with F-squared CR, flexible crown and free rolling stands, laminar cooling and coiling of strip, coil handling and conditioning facilities, and storage bay. Danieli Wien United's global solution to control strip profile and flatness and enable schedule-free rolling includes long-stroke hydraulic automatic gap control in all stands, work roll positive and negative heavy bending, work roll shifting in all stands, optimized cooling system for work rolls and backup rolls. The production of ultra-thin strips down to 0.8 millimeters is possible thanks to the Danieli patented F-squared CR flexible crown and free rolling stands on F2 and F3. This concept embodies powerful, effective, and reliable solutions to shift and cross the rolls under the rolling load to improve the strip crown and flatness control range in conventional or semi-endless rolling mode. A quick changing system enables the complete work roll change for the finishing mill in less than 8 minutes. Semi-endless rolling of ultra-thin gauges will be possible with the installation of a very short run-out table and an intensive strip cooling system after the last finishing stand, a high-speed drum shear to separate the long slab rolled in semi-endless mode into individual coils with a maximum exit speed of up to 20 meters per second. A carousel coiler placed very close to the last finishing stand. Within the turnkey scope of supply, there are all the auxiliary utilities such as water treatment plant, lime production plant, firefighting system, compressed air plant with a nominal capacity of 20,400 cubic meters per hour at a pressure of 7 bar, All the utilities have been designed considering a plant capacity expansion up to 2.4 million tons per year. The water treatment plant has been completely designed, installed, and commissioned by Danieli Engineering and includes 4 cooling systems: closed circuit, open non-contact system, contact system, and the laminar flow system. Altogether, the plant has a capacity of 19,500 cubic meters per hour for indirect cooling, 17,500 cubic meters per hour for direct cooling, and 500 cubic meters per hour for makeup. The special design makes it possible to keep overall specific consumption under 1.25 cubic meters of water per ton of final product. Danieli Engineering has also provided a lime plant that produces 300 tons per day. Thanks to its double shaft vertical kiln, its productivity can easily be run up to 315 tons per day of quick lime with high purity and very low specific heat consumption. The EFS Flat Steel Greenfield Complex, producing 1.2 million tons per year of hot rolled coil, is one of the most modern facilities worldwide. It incorporates all the latest Danieli technologies to challenge the markets of the 21st century.